Welcome to Aggressive Crawlers Off-Road, where we just finished another project for a customer. This is a Gladiator Rubicon in Hydro Blue that we just built for a customer. And I'll go over the features of this truck. The first thing that the customer picked out for this truck was the Rebel Off-Road Recon Coilover kit. This is a 2.5 inch diameter, 12 inch stroke, king shock up front that has the reservoirs and the adjusters. Also has a king bump stop. And in that front axle, we installed a 513 gear, and we used Artec products to truss the axle and give it a little extra armor. Then we bolted on a set of trail-ready beadlocks wrapped in Nito 37-inch trail grapplers, our favorite tire model. To stick with the Rebel Off-Road theme, we went with Rebel Off-Road Summit Series front rear bumpers with rigid fog lights. We've got a Warren VR10S winch. And then underneath, you see we went with the Yeti XD Steer Smarts steering. This is a Steer Smarts Yeti XD tie rod, drag link, and adjustable track bar. We also have RCV front axle shafts. This is a two-piece design. It works with the disconnect in the factory axle. For inner fenders, we went with the American Adventure Lab quick release front fenders that have the red accents in them to complement the Rebel Off-Road coilover hoops. You see the TerraFlex long arm kit. These are the TerraFlex IR arms that rotate to limit bind when this Jeep flexes out. This is a weld-in kit. And then we've got an Adams front 1350 drive shaft. In the rear, we've got the King piggyback shocks, and we've got the TerraFlex IR mid arms. The rear axle has got an Artec truss similar to the front, 513 gears, and chromoly axle shafts. And underneath, you can see a shot of the Artec aluminum skid. This is a belly skid, gas tank skid, and an engine skid, oil pan skid. And for the rear bumper, we also went with the Rebel Off-Road Summit Series, but this has got the step sliders. Now let's take a look at the inside of this beautiful truck. So inside, we have a rock hard 4x4 bolt-in sport cage with rear crossbar. And this has been powder coated paint match. And in the front, you can see the crossbar across the dash. Check out those graphics. We're looking forward to delivering this vehicle to the customer next week. In the meantime, check us out on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and our website at aggressivecrawlers.com. And let us build your next adventure.